Hello, it's me again. So today we're gonna do the next modification for my bike, which is the belly pan. I'll show you in a minute. And I've got the instructions out, and the first problem I encountered was, everything was in Italian. Is it focused? I'll take a picture, I suppose. Yeah, first problem, Italian instructions, so, you know, can't understand that. So I went ahead and put it all in Google Translate and put it on a Word document. Now I'm going to show you all the parts lying down on the floor again. So over here, I need to lift the camera.
I mean, I have to do things.
Yes, cameraman. Let's show this.
I'm expecting a really sick jump cut, by the way.
So that's all the parts laid out, and it's quite cute because I've actually labeled each part to where they belong. Like this is number 1, which is meant to go on there. Fair enough. Okay, so we're gonna take off a few bolts.
I wasn't expecting audience participation.
Can I need a volunteer from the crowd, please? You, sir.
Sorry.
You look eager to volunteer.
I genuinely didn't think I'd have to do that.
Right, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Take.
This word, like, oil might leak out.
Well, if it does, as long as it doesn't get me, I'm not too bothered.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Wow.
Never seen that before. It's like it rusted over.
Lol.
Should I clean that or not? Probably should. I don't need to tighten it yet, just like, because I need to like...
Oh, so yeah, okay.
So it's this one here. This one's clean. Now on to the other side.
Point which bits you're actually doing.
I am doing that and that.
Just those two?
Yeah.
Right.
Go. Yeah, clean. This one's number 4. Yeah. Okay. And the next one to remove this bolt. This one's clean. 3 out of 4 rusted bolts. Okay, so I'm just gonna pre-mount these together and then slip it in underneath and align the brackets. Which goes here. That doesn't make sense. That's not properly aligned. That's annoying. What? That's a bit annoying. It's not aligning properly. So I found a big problem with this belly pan. This attachment thing to connect them in the middle doesn't actually align the holes properly. And I'll show you there as well, they don't align. Well, this is the most predominant part. Okay. So what we're gonna do is probably try and put the holes where they're meant to be. So here we go. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that clearly. Can you see it? Yeah, so in this bit, you can't see where that hole meets. Same with here. And the same here. So we're gonna have to put the holes ourselves.
Giggity.
Right, so what we're gonna use is this metal thing. Yeah. So here we go. It's working. I don't know how far I've got, and it smells. Oh, that's good.
It's good. It's gone through.
Yay, it works.
Fucking stinks.
I know. Put it through it. There we go.
Oh, they were way off.
That's a good way to show. better?
Precision job.
So I'm just gonna put all the rest of the bolts in. So it's one whole part, and then we'll mount it on the brackets that went into the engine side. Right, we've managed to poke the holes through using a hot metal rod. And you can see there of how badly it was misaligned. What I did was I poked it from the outside in. That's where the hole was. And that is terrible, Barracuda. And yeah, these ones were roughly close. I don't know which one was mismatched, the inner part, the inner middle part, or the outside bits, but whatever, it was sorted. So now, what we're going to do is put this down there. Just gonna mount the other side to make the weight balance. So it's been mounted from both sides. Now I'm gonna tighten all of the bolts. They are bolts, aren't they?
Oh, I don't know.
What a bolt!
What a noob!
Okay, so a brief overview about this product here. Now, the only problem I had was the alignment of the holes for the nuts to go through for the centerpiece, and with that we had to melt down the holes so they line up. And well, overall it's quite decent. Let's check it from the other side. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. I like the black color of it. It didn't actually cover up the bottom exhaust pipes here. It's quite a bit of a gap. And this cutout doesn't actually line up with the pipe. So this cost me about £170. Does it deserve that price? No, not really. Especially with the inaccuracy of the hole alignment. But overall, I'm happy with it. So there goes the completion of this installation. So I hope you enjoyed this video.